Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Slack on your desktop to ensure you have the latest features, security patches, and the smoothest performance for 2026. Step 1. Locate the Help menu. Depending on whether you are using Windows or Mac, the path to the update trigger starts in a slightly different corner of your screen. On Windows, click the three lines icon, also known as the hamburger icon, in the top left corner of the Slack app, then hover over Help. On Mac, look at the top menu bar of your entire screen next to the Apple icon and click the word Slack. In 2026, Slack also uses a visual cue. If an update is ready and waiting for you, you'll see a small red dot or badge on the Help icon or your profile picture, signaling that a new version is available for download. Step 2. Check for updates. Once you've opened the correct menu, you need to manually tell the app to ping the Slack servers for the latest build. Select Check for Updates from the drop-down menu. A small pop-up window will appear. If you're already on the latest version, it will say you're all good to go. If not, Slack will immediately begin downloading the update in the background. If you downloaded Slack from the Microsoft Store or Mac App Store, you might not see this option. In that case, you'll need to open your computer's App Store and click Update from there. Step 3. Restart to apply. The final step is the most important, as the update won't actually take effect until the app's core files are refreshed. Once the download finishes, click the button that says Restart Slack to update. The app will close for a few seconds and then reopen automatically. You can verify the update was successful by going back to the Help or Slack menu and selecting About Slack. Here, you can see your current version number, such as 4.48.x, and confirm you're up to date for 2026. And that's pretty much it. To update Slack in 2026, navigate to the Help menu in Windows or the Slack menu in Mac and select Check for Updates. Follow the prompt to restart Slack, and you'll be running the newest version with all the latest 2026 AI tools and workspace improvements. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.